Today's the day we finally picked the car back up. Let's go take a look and see how she's doing. She's back. Let's go see how it is. I've got one check engine light. Let's see what that is. Damn, it's a lot of bird shit.
Oh yeah, that's my fault.
It's okay. Double check everything, but so far, I think we're all good. Good. What's your TikTok if you want to tell people?
Huh?
What's your TikTok?
I don't remember. It's a Kuro XG Crew.
Well, I'll link it down below. Make sure you follow Julian here. Makes a lot of good content on fixing broken pieces of shit like this. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days since we picked up the car, and it is back up and running great now. So I wanted to make this video talking about the new 11th gen Accords. Now, if you haven't been paying attention, Honda recently announced the new 11th gen Accord and what engines they will come with. And as of filming this, they are only putting the 1.5 turbos and the hybrid motor into the 11th gen Accord. Now, speaking for a second on the aesthetics of the new Accord, personally, I think the outside looks fine. You know, it's an Accord. It is what it is. The interior, I think, is a nice space, and I think, you know, people will enjoy sitting on the inside. It's a great, comfortable car. Now, the main thing that a lot of Accord enthusiasts are talking about is the fact that it no longer is the main gripe that a lot of enthusiasts are talking about right now is that the Accord will no longer come with the 2.0 turbo engine or the 10-speed. They are only doing the 1.5 hybrid CVTs. And my initial reaction was, man, that really sucks. Honda's justification is that, you know, the 2.0 is only accounted for about 20% of their sales, which, you know, is fair. You know, it's not an engine that people are picking, and given the fact that we went through a lot of supply chain issues with COVID, you know, they probably needed to cut costs somewhere. You know, people need to remember Honda is not a big company. They are much smaller than Toyota, and, you know, they don't have the manufacturing capabilities of someone like Toyota. The main reason, however, I think Honda dropped the 2.0 turbo from the Accords is to bump people over to Acura. If you guys noticed, when the new TLX got announced, it used the 2.0 turbo as the base engine. And a lot of people compared it to the Accord. And the Accord was better for the price. You know, it was lighter, it was quicker, it had the same engine, and, you know, if you got the touring model of the Accord, like luxury feature parity, it's pretty comparable compared to the TLX. So the value proposition for the new TLX was harder to justify getting versus the Accord. And so I think because of that ate into Acura sales, and Acura is already a struggling brand. So I think they want to save that 2-liter turbo for Acura. Now, the other thing is the Integra Type S that's rumored to be coming. My prediction is, you know, Acura being a luxury company first, not performance, is that they'll likely offer the Integra Type S with both. Well, they'll likely offer it with the 6-speed manual. That's a given that it's, you know, a luxury Civic. However, I think they're gonna also offer the Integra Type S in the 10-speed manual. And, you know, if they had that same engine in 10-speed in the Accord versus the Type S, it's probably gonna eat into Type S sales. And I think that's what Acura / Honda is planning. They're gonna offer that Type S in a 10-speed with the 2-liter engine, and that's why they removed it from the Accord. Well, that's my thought on it. You know, I'm happy to be wrong. But yeah, you know, 2020 through 2022 was a rough year for a lot of companies, and they probably had to cut costs, and Acura is already a dying brand, so they're probably trying to revitalize or bump sales over to Acura, and I think that's probably why they took the 2-liter turbo and 10-speed away from the 11th gen Accords. You know, at the end of the day, it's an Accord. Most people are buying it to be a commuter vehicle. It's not a big deal. You know, it's only a small group of people like us who are sad about it, but you know, at the end of the day, Honda Accords are a commuter car. So for 90% of people buying the 11th gen Accords, they'll be happy with it. For the other people like us, we'll move on to other cars. That being said, I had originally wanted to trade my car in for Supra one day, but seeing as the 10th gen is the only generation with the 2-liter turbo and the 10-speed, I think we're going to keep my Accord for a lot longer, pay it off, and pick up a project car. I think it'll be a few months before I pick up a project car, but cars I am looking at are Mazda Miatas, probably the NB Miatas because the NAs are clapped out, and you know, maybe an Integra or RSX. Let me know what you guys think of potential project cars for the channel. But yeah, those are my thoughts on the new 11th gen Accord, and yeah, I'm happy to have my car back now. So if you guys enjoyed this video and my thoughts on it, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.